Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to express. So basically the unlock requirement is that first you need an actual quick warning, because if your profile is locked for privacy, you won't see these professional options. So you need to unlock this element first. So to do this, you want to go directly into your profile, go into your settings, and make sure that you hit unlocked and refresh. So a professional mode that I can give you is for public figures, so you can be, let's say for example, well public. So I'm gonna just go directly into my Facebook element, and you wanted to activate the professional mode. So the first thing I wanted to do is to go directly into my profile, focus into my settings, which is usually the three dots that appears into the professional mode. So I'm gonna go into my profile once again. Let's go for the three dots. And here you wanted to make sure that you check out here the element that says turn on professional mode. So when you turn on the professional mode, and when you turn this on, it will now ask you to choose your category. So whether you are a digital creator, an entrepreneur, or an actual gamer, you chose the one that fits your brand, and then you hit for continue. So once you are directly inside here, might be appearing the element that says audience and visibility, and you can check out that your page now appears as creator profile. And I can hit for the option that says dashboard, and you can see that we can check out the insights of our page, how many views we have, the actual engagements. We can check out the insights, we can check out the earnings, we can check out the engagement, and we can check out the audience. Now, to act like an actual page, your future post needs to be set to public, so your old friends only post will stay private, but new ones will reach the whole world. Now, to navigate to the professional dashboard, you can see that instead of your friends, now you have the actual followers, and now you have the professional dashboard button. So basically all of these changes can now be successfully changed once you go directly into the professional mode. So if you have enough followers, this is where you turn on stars ads on Reels to start getting paid for your actual content. And you can check out directly all of those directly into the monetization tools. When you hit into the monetization tools, you can check out that as you grow our audience, we will be unlocking more ways to make money. So for example, one of the ways is would be the stars. And here, for example, we needed to get 3 different criteria to meet the actual ranking. First of all, we needed to reside in an eligible country. Usually this happens to all of us. The second will be having 500 followers active into Facebook, and the third one is that we needed to have 500 followers for 30 consecutive days. So we needed to let's say for example earn 500 followers in the last 30 days. Just like that, Facebook will be understanding that maybe you're kind of an influencer, and you will be now starting to earn money directly inside this platform. Now, the content monetization. The content monetization is basically let's say for example that you can start sharing revenue and to make money here into Facebook with more content. So basically this is something that some countries is not available yet. So if you wanted to check that out, you might be clicking directly to the monetization tools, go for the content monetization, and hit for notified when you can join for this eligible element, because you can only get started via an invitation mode. So it might take a little bit of time to check that out. So a quick summary that I can give you is that now that you have your digital creator, you can now start to make some content. And the best part is that if you hate this, you can turn this off anytime and go back to the normal profile without losing your actual friends. So basically, this is a really easy way of how you can actually get started with the Facebook creator mode. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And well, hopefully you can all see you all next time.